it's me, and this is the thing about slime series. Slime Shop and Slime Thief. The Slime Thief is like the person that gets the slime and doesn't even pay, they just steal it. You don't know why I'm not looking at you. I'm looking at you, but it doesn't work because I have to look at the little bottle thing. So don't worry. So let's get started. This. Let's go.